this?
Yeah, this is the heater box. So there are different vents, different gates that open up here that let air go out in different areas. But yeah, this is all sand. This is all sand down here. Daddy was really not smart. And then look at the backseat area. There's sand back there too. There's sand everywhere. There's even sand in the trunk. Do you see?
Oh yeah. Wait, yeah.
Yeah, I opened the trunk earlier before you came out. So look, sand. Even though I was spraying up in the front of the car, sand shot all the way back here. I didn't have the seat in at the time or anything like that.
What's that?
What's that? That's a piece of trim. It's off the dashboard up there. So it's just a piece that I took off and.
Okay.
Well, no, this one's actually for this side. Whoops, over here, and it goes up right there next to the dashboard. And Daddy needs to just keep track of everything, and you're gonna help me put this all together, aren't you?
I'm gonna roll down the window.
You wanna roll down the window? Okay. It's gonna be tough, and you're going up, dude. The other way's down. It's gonna be tough. You're strong, yeah. I don't think that window's been put down in more than 10 years, dude.
It's easy now.
Oh, it's easy. Yeah, once you get it started, it's easy. Getting it moving was the hard part. Cool. Yeah, we can keep it down for now.
Well, can I do the drivers?
Do the drivers? No, not right now. Aren't you going to head over to school to pick Annie up?
In a minute. Are we going to change the steering wheel?
We're going to change the steering wheel. Yep.
Can I get in?
You can climb in, but don't sit on the chair or anything because the only chair that's bolted down is the driver's chair.
What's this? Can I use my...
Yeah, you try not to grip onto it too hard. This is the drip rail. It's so when rain comes down, it doesn't go right into the car. So these older cars, they had this drip rail.
Oh, and yeah, like someone got... like in a video, remember?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, we do a lot of YouTubing, and Gabe's thinking of Joe Daddy's garage when he replaced the drip rail, and
Same steering wheel? Because it has a cool steering wheel.
yeah, I may not keep that steering wheel. That's just a plastic wrap around it. The center, yeah. That's the horn piece. There's no power anymore, bud. That battery's been dead for years.
How yeah? Oh, can I mess with this thing?
You can mess with it. It's just not going to do anything for you. Everything's disconnected back there.
That's why there's a giant hole down there.
Yeah, there's the hole back there is for the heater core that came through.
Nice.
No, you can't shift it out of gear, buddy.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, what's this?
What's what? That's the turn signals. All right, bud.
Ooh, there's a little secret compartment.
There is a little secret compartment. That's a cool thing, huh?
Ooh, what's this? To make it go back?
Yeah, that makes the seat move. Yep.
Can you change the seats? These are not comfortable.
Yeah.
I want to get leather.
Oh well, we may. I don't know if we're going to get leather, but we will change the seats up. I think. I agree that they're not the most comfortable, and the only adjustment they have is front and back. And there's one screw in the back that allows it to tip up and forward and backward a little bit, and you can only adjust it with that screw. That's weird, huh?
What are these?
That's part of the whole turn horn assembly.
Oh, so like if you want like a dragon?
Kind of like that, yeah. Not exactly.
How do you do the...
How to do what about the windshield?
How do you make it go on?
The windshield wipers.
What's this?
That is actually somebody's idea of putting a new horn in there because the horn switch on the column didn't work. So they actually put a push button horn over there. Yeah, it's kind of, yeah, it was kind of pretty cheesy. So we're gonna fix all that.
Ooh, what's this?
That's the adjustment for the mirror outside, which the whole mirror is tilted and not working. So that's the mirror adjuster.
Oh, is this open up there?
Yeah, that opens up that. There's a vent. You can, oh, if you do that, you can pull it inward or outward. I can't remember.
Out!
Let me see. Oh yeah, these are out. So they're vents. And way back in the day, they didn't put AC in a lot of cars, so they had the different vents that you can open up. You could open up a vent in there, and that's what those things outside are. The air can go in there and then come out from underneath the dash. You could open the ones in the windows.
How do they do the thingies?
How do they? The wipers?
Climb out?
No, that's the switch you were messing with over there. No, the one on top of the dash was the wiper switch.
What brake?
Yeah, that's just a light for brake lights. Hey, don't, no.
Are you gonna keep the school?
We're gonna replace all the gauges,
Oh,
but
it's a key thingy. Ooh, can I hit the brake or gas?
you can push the pedals, but nothing's gonna happen.
Well, when you hit the brakes, it's going to roll backwards or
It's not gonna
forwards?
roll. It's on dollies.
What are those?
It's the things that the wheels are on, so I can move it around the shop and I can move it sideways if I needed to. The seat was not locked in position. That little adjuster on the front. Yeah. So
Oh, that?
yeah, that. Now you're crushing my seat, dude. What are you doing? You sit on a seat, not stand on a seat.
You said I couldn't sit on.
I said don't sit on this one because it's not bolted in. Did you really kick my car? Come on.
Ooh, does it turn? The wheels, or is it too dumb?
Well, the wheels out here is not turning. That's just a lot of slack in the steering box. Turn it side to side. That's how much slack is in that steering box. Oh, actually, you are turning the wheel out here now. Go ahead. Do it again.
Ooh, I want to see it.
No. Straighten it out.
Great.
Nope. Keep going the other way. All right, keep it there. Let's leave it there while Daddy works on it. Yeah, that's somebody put a cheesy stereo in there. Hopefully they didn't really mess up the area.
Where's the CD port here?
The CD slot's there, but yeah. And Gabe, hey buddy, don't just go smacking pushing buttons. We have to be careful what we're doing, okay? It does pop it out. Yeah, that's.
Oh, it's like in our camper.
Yeah, it's like the one in our camper, right?
It's a remote.
Okay.
It's like while you're driving.
Hey, bub.
See, duct tape.
Yeah, there's tape on there, stuff. This is a long video. I'm gonna have to stop it, okay? I like that you're playing with the car and excited about it and excited to get work done, but I think people are gonna get bored with you bouncing around.
That's stand up there.
They're stand up there too?
Yeah, up in that.
Yeah, that's Daddy's worst mistake ever. Worst mistake. One of the worst mistakes I've ever made is taking a sandblaster inside of a car.
There's a bunch of sand up there.
There's a bunch of sand under there. That's the controls for the heater. Don't kick it. Come on, leave it alone.
There's a little turny thing here.
Yep. There's a bunch of turning things in different spots. That one there is the parking brake.
Oh, so I can turn it?
Well, it's not attached right now.
Oh. It looks like this. It feels like this Angus.
Yeah,
Oh, lights.
there's lights. Yeah, probably.
Ooh, light. How do
Yeah, the light works off these door switches. So over here in the door, there's a switch, and those lights light up after the door's been open. Yep. So it's all fun stuff we're gonna get to. What do you think?
the push button is going to be right here?
Yep.
So we're going to work out that.
We're not ripping it out, but yes, we're gonna replace the key with the push button start. But don't tell all of our secrets. We haven't gotten that far yet. People aren't supposed to know we've planned this far in advance. They got to think we're doing it a little bit at a time.
It's this little holder thing.
Yeah, I'm not sure what those are. What's that?
Smoker holders?
Yeah, they might be. It might be for like cigarettes or something back in the day. I have no clue what those holders are.
That's on my ATV.
Yeah, it's the same type of connector on your ATV. Yeah.
Ooh.
Yes, you can shift it without hitting the brake.
What's
Yes,
this?
that is just a dummy button on the side.
A dummy, so
No.
whoever did
It means
is
it's
a
fake.
dummy.
No, it just means it's fake. To make it look like the same on both sides.
Oh yeah, that's a bunch of sand in there. And there's
Yeah.
a giant hole.
There's a giant hole.
It's not giant, but you can see air. See?
I'll take your word for it. I'll have to dig into that later. Hey, buddy.
Bye.
Oops, do that again.
Bye.